Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another lecture. In today's lecture we are going to discuss unit number 4 topic in-service teacher training. What does in-service teacher training mean? It is the training which is going to give teachers that are serving education department or who are serving in education. So keep them updated. Some trainings are necessary, and in this topic we will discuss what kind of trainings are given to in-service teacher trainers. In-service teacher training refers to the professional development opportunities and training programs that are provided to teachers who are already employed in educational institutions. These training programs aims to enhance the knowledge, skill and effectiveness of experienced teachers. In Pakistan, as in many countries, in-service teacher training is essential for ensuring that educators stay updated on the latest teaching methodologies, curriculum changes and educational trends. Here are some key aspects in the service teacher training. Number 1 is continuous professional development, which is known as CPD. In-service teacher training is a form of CPD for educators. It helps teachers acquire new skills, strategies and knowledge that can improve their classroom practices and overall teaching effectiveness. Number 2 is type of in-service training. Number 1 is subject-specific workshops. These workshops focus on specific subjects or areas of expertise such as mathematics, science, languages, arts or technology integration. Then pedagogical training. These programs concentrate on teaching methodologies, classroom management, assessment and evaluation techniques, and effective instructional strategies. Technology integration. With the increased use of technology in education, in-service teacher training may include workshops integrating digital tools and resources into teaching. Special needs education. Training programs may cover inclusive education practices and strategies for teaching students with special needs. Then curriculum updates. In-service teacher training helped teachers understand and implement changes in the curriculum, ensuring that they are aligned with national or regional educational standards. Then assessment and evaluation. Teachers receive training on designing effective assessments, grading and evaluating students' performance. Then leadership and management. Some in-service programs focus on developing leadership and management skills for teachers who may take an administrative roles. Number 3 is modes of delivery. It will be either workshops or seminars. It will be online courses, it will be on-site training, it will be conferences, or it will be peer learning and collaboration. So first we discuss workshops and seminars. Short-term workshops and seminars are on common mode of delivery in teacher service trainings. These sessions may last from a few days to several weeks. Then online courses. With the advancement of technology, main service teacher programs now offer online courses and modules, making professional development more accessible. On-site training. Some in-service training is conducted directly at the teacher schools, allowing for the most customized and context-specific approach. Then conferences. Educational conferences often include sessions and workshops that serve as in-service training opportunities. Then peer learning and collaboration. Teachers may engage in peer learning and collaboration, sharing best practices and experience with colleagues. Number 4 is collaboration. In-service teacher training often involves collaboration among educational authorities, colleges of education, universities and professional development organizations. Then assessment and certification. Teacher may be assessed during or after in-service training to ensure that they have acquired the necessary knowledge and skills. Ongoing process. In-service training is not as a one-time event but rather ongoing process. Teachers are encouraged to engage in continuous professional development throughout their career. Then teacher feedback. Effective in-service teacher program often incorporate feedback from teachers to tailor the training to specific needs and challenges.